So hi, hello everyone. Once again we're back with a new video which is called 90-degree haircut. So most of the people are awaited with this haircut. So this time I bought for you absolutely a 90-degree step layer haircut. So manually it will be easy to the any of haircuts, and this is one of the ultimate for a demandable and most requirement haircut for anyone can be suggested for. So the center profile I'm just separating with the first section, and this is very simple steps I'm explained in this haircut. You may can see completely to the haircuts that crown portion is little bit of shortened, and just we're trying to be convinced to be completely make it to the proper haircut instance pen to pen to be cover up to the guideline basis. So hopefully, I hope so, this haircut video will be most probably understandable for all of you. Side by side section also taken and separated for all the way, both the sides. And the back section just we separating it with the occipital bone too. The two subsections has to be divided by. So most probably in the 90-degree haircut, certain people are taking sections or certain are never. But I suggest always be in sections. Could be to be most probably in make your proper haircut with instructions following. That should be give proper guidelines and achieve your desirable haircuts whatever you'll expect on that case. So my subsections are done. I'm just going to be just basing up to the one bottom length, one basic length after the haircuts. You can just see complete to the subsections has to be mentioned overall. And now I'm just taking with a one length haircut in the bottom before start to the complete after the haircut. So this is most probably with need for any haircut you might be expecting that cases. So without this we cannot figure it out with anything like any of haircuts. So ensure the one length is most probably needed and require even though. So we just take the center profile first sections and just we lifting up to the exactly 90 degree, just pin to pin. I'm just going to cutting it off the rest of the hair, and you may can see complete to the haircut and rest of the hair it cutting it off. Another section I just took and same technique will following up. And one more section. Make sure as much as thin section you can just take, that much it will be give it to the proper ultimate good layers for a 90 degree. So another side we started with same thin section, we just following up to the apart from previous guidelines. Rest of the hair we cutting it off. You can see completed to the one more section we took and just cutting it off. And as much as thin section, that much can be made properly to the good haircut in layers in that cases. This is exactly opposite to the roots directions. Cross checking in the bottom after cut the layers, and just top portions, crown portion just going to be released, and that portion also we just start to the cut the layers in help of to the 90 degree. Just take to the guideline, rest of the hair drop it down. You can just get the guidelines, you can just follow the instruction properly. Again I'm showing with the same technique of one more thin section and just taking with the previous guideline and just rest of the hair cutting it off. So that is which is called consistency to be carry forward with any of layer cuts which giving to the guidelines and thin section following, and little proper holding structure can make proper good haircuts with any of layer or graduations if you may can take. So last section got pinning, Now it's going to be finished in last section. Most probably most of they are awaited for this haircut for a get it done. Finally we done today. Same guideline. Please let me know comments below if you have any other doubts and queries and requirements for in the previous haircut. Each and every videos we just bringing up to something like different concept up to the haircut, and it will be new creative layers also we just presenting in front of you all of you. So 98 people are just watching and just going away, and the rest of the only 10% is got subscriber. In case it will be 98% got subscribed to my channel. So we just boost up to the more and more creative things, and we just started to the live classes also. For hope so, I'm expecting it very soon. There is a lot of people are going to be gathered in this channel, so that is my best hope. So please do support friends, and I'm going to be bringing with a different haircuts, because for the tutorial purpose. Another side we came, and the same technique will follow in the side by side. That is the last side section is going to be finished after the 90-degree haircuts. Why I'm just taking to that thin section and small hair, it will be going to be cut it up. That is called the ultimate, where you can just get to practice. That is a pro technique. I'm just separating with the side sections and just not disturbance purpose, and the crown portion just take to the center profile and just checking with how much ever layers will become. The rest of the hair I'm cutting it up, but almost shortened. So almost done the haircut. I'm just checking with the side center profile. I'm just taking and just blending with the side bases, and just we cross check with 90-degree complete overall. See that we are going to be cross checking with the complete rest of the hair, just cut it up. The same technique we can add that complete next side. Make sure after you done the layer cuts in center profile, you have to be separate, and you just both the sides you have to be check it out. Why? Because after taking to the box section, there is side shouldn't blend with the side to side like that. Once you merge just then it will be completely the curve that should be make completely done the haircut. See the one side after you taking it too much of layers, you can just see completely to the messing up to the layers and booming to the complete up to the massive layers. You can just see on that. Please do share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So cut is almost is done, and we're going to finish it after the complete of the haircuts. You can just see a lot of layers in that top to bottom. So that it will be called the dedication up to the giving complete up to the 90-degree haircut. I hope so you guys are like this video, and I'm expecting with the next video for a good hope again. Till then, be safe, take care, and just don't forget to watch with consistency up to a lot of videos, and just I'm bringing with the new videos for in front of you. Till then, take care. We'll meet up to the next video.